Broadway, it's a Saturday night.
Hey there everybody, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my latest Motivation Monday video. I hope you're all doing really well wherever you're watching this today.
Girl, I can tell that you have...
In today's video, I am aiming to have a super productive hour while my youngest son has his afternoon nap. So it is about 1 o'clock, he will be down for about 90 minutes.
Let's have a drink.
And for the first hour of that, I'm aiming to just rush around the house and get as much done as I can. So I'm starting upstairs in the bedrooms. I'm going to make the beds, which absolutely should have been done this morning. But it was one of those mornings and they didn't get done. So that is the first thing I want to do. I will start in mine and Clint's bedroom, making this bed. And then I will also go into Leo's bedroom as well. Also, a little look at my beautiful cleaning cupboard, which I still can't get used to. I love it so much. I'm just going to spritz our bed and make it smell lovely for bedtime later. As I said, I'll now go into my eldest son's bedroom and make his bed as well.
You forget all your sorrows, let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard.
Next thing I want to do is dust the surfaces upstairs. I feel like I haven't done this for ages, so I've got myself a fresh dust magnet, flash dust magnet. I love these dusters, and I'm going to just do the bedside tables and the windowsills and all of those surfaces in the bedrooms that seem to just attract dust.
All about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away.
I'm also going to repeat this in my son's room, which is always a bit fiddly because he has so many things, being a 6-year-old boy, so there's always things to lift up and work around. But the thing I love about the flash dust magnet is it can easily squeeze between objects and between toys and things, so I generally can get away with not having to lift everything up, and I can kind of just work my way around things.
The good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night. We're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
I'm also going to go into the dressing room and do the surfaces in here as well. But after dusting my dressing table here that you can see, it was still really filthy. It needed a proper spray down and a wipe. So after I finished dusting, I went and got a surface spray and a cloth and I wiped it down as well. There you go, that is a sign of a successful dust hunt. Nice and grey and filthy, just the way I like it. Next up, I want to clean the upstairs toilet. I haven't done this for a few days now and it does need a good clean. I'm going to use the Flash bathroom spray and a blue cloth, and I'm just going to wipe down all of the exterior of the toilet. I'm just going to pop into my cleaning cupboard and get a sachet of the Pink Stuff toilet foam, which I use every once in a while if I want to give it a really good clean. I'm just going to pour the contents down the toilet and let it all foam up and leave it for about 5 minutes to just sit there and work its magic before I come in and give it a good old scrub. Obviously, a toilet clean would not be complete without making the toilet roll look nice and pretty, even though my son will just come in later and rip it apart. At least it looks nice and neat and tidy for a few minutes. Next thing I really wanted to do this afternoon was the downstairs French doors. The windows are filthy, as you can see. I'm using this Flash lavender scented glass cleaner. I haven't used it before, but oh my gosh, it was a 10 out of 10. It was so quick. You can see here I'm just using a microfiber cloth and there were no streaks, no residue. It was probably the quickest way that I have ever cleaned these doors, and I'm 100% going to use this spray again. So I just started by doing the interior and getting all those delightful grubby finger marks off, and then I did go outside and do the exteriors as well using exactly the same spray. I just don't see the point in giving the inside of the glass a really good clean unless you're going to do the outside as well.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me.
Next thing I want to do is a load of laundry. There is nothing more satisfying than the sound of the washing machine whizzing around, making you feel super productive. So I've got myself a basket of dirty laundry. I'm going to take it downstairs, go into the utility room and put on a wash.
Go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind.
Okay, power hour is over and it's time for me to have my lunch. I'm absolutely starving. I'm gonna have one of my favorite Asda balanced ready meals. This is the red Thai curry one, which is delicious and a super healthy, low-fat lunch that I love to just grab quickly. So I'm gonna pop that in the microwave. I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna rest for the next 30 minutes before it's time to wake up my little boy. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next one.
So let me put a smile upon your face.